Exzellenz Business presents a private retreat of 9 exceptional residencies. Unit 1. Intimate comfort with sophisticated design. Ideal for couples or solo travelers. Suite 1. A stylish suite with open layout and modern amenities. A fireplace-featured living room with a view of the historic fountain. Suite 2. A refined escape with elegant design and classic charm. Fireplace lounge, open kitchen, and bedroom, all with views of a park and a lake. Includes marble shower room and infrared sauna for 2. Suite 3. Enjoy sweeping views and quiet luxury in this beautifully curated space. Living room with workstation, kitchen with dining area, bedroom with large double bed and a bathroom with walk-in shower. Unit 2. A spacious salon with timeless architecture and room for the whole family. A living area including a fireplace and a kitchen with dining area and separate pantry. One bedroom with a large double bed, another bedroom with a French double bed and a smaller bedroom with a French double bed. Also a daylight bathroom with walk-in shower. Suite 4. With lake and fountain views, this suite offers refined comfort with open-plan living and infrared sauna. A large kitchen with dining area for a maximum of 7 people, an open bedroom with large double bed, a separate bedroom with French double bed, and a daylight bathroom with bathtub. Suite 5. A grand suite with artistic flair, fit for large families or small groups. Inspired after a notorious artist, this suite features 4 bedrooms, an art-filled gallery, and a warm family atmosphere. Suite 6. The crown jewel. Royal comfort with timeless architecture. A spacious suite with park views, fireplace lounge, and 3 uniquely designed bedrooms. Suite 7. Split-level luxury with spacious interiors, a true private residence. This is a 2-level suite with reading lounge, fireplace room, and panoramic kitchen. Further information available upon request.